my personal point of view, what I would like to see is driving East Lothian produce outside of East Lothian. However, I can also see there being a project involved in promoting East Lothian produce within East Lothian as well.
Getting the name of the county out as a destination for premium fine foods, high quality, good provenance, I think that's going to be an effect of taking the products out of East Lothian.
The small companies do need help with their marketing and PR budgets, web design, etc. Maybe haven't branched into those areas before, and it's quite easy to get caught out with very expensive web design, with expensive PR, etc. When the large companies usually have a track record of being able to procure that. So if we can do it together, come up with rates that we all know we're getting the same rate, it'll benefit the smaller companies because they can almost piggyback off the larger companies, but it also lets the larger companies contribute and bring up maybe a better level of quality, having experienced web design, etc. in the past.
I can see benefits in terms of growth through sales, so whether that's in the southeast of England, whether that is eventually export. I can also see us collaborating with some of the other producers, whether that's at trade shows or in actually making products. So we've already spoken to several producers, and there's an interest in collaborative beers and various things.
The benefits for my business are the ability to access the market in the southeast primarily, where there's a higher spending, quite affluent market, which we don't have access to up here as readily. So I'm finding that to be very successful for our business, the small efforts we've made to get down to the southeast. But on a long-term basis, being able to maintain that and make the most of it is where I think the bid can really help us.
Well, we've looked long and hard at this, and we think that one of the key benefits will be using group procurement to bring down the price of marketing, PR, and also when we need to lobby the council and other government bodies for funding or help with things like waste and recycling that benefits our businesses, we'll be able to do it as a collective group, which gives us more bargaining power.
I think umbrella branding it has the potential to be powerful and almost a mark of quality and provenance. I think it's important for local producers to retain their own branding and their own personality.
The amount that we'll be putting in as a levy seems pretty insignificant to the amount of money that we'll get back through funding and through other investments. And from having other companies work alongside the small businesses, what we can gain from that shows incredibly good value for the small amount that we'll need to put in as a levy.
If everybody buys in, I think acting together, we can do amazing things. My vision is to put East Lothian on the map as the kind of breadbasket of Scotland, if not the UK or the world.